The Queen's School is represented this evening by Ashley Brown, Chanel Johnson, Daniela Knight, and team captain Dominique Rodway. While Munro College is represented by Theodore Tomlinson, the team captain, Antonio King, Joash Salmon, and Tajani Brown. Only one of these teams will move on to the quarterfinals. Hello everyone and welcome to round 3 action here in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get into the action. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. The Queen's School won and decided to go first. So we begin with the Queen's School. The section lasts for 4 minutes. We have the time on the clock, the Queen's School, so we'll begin. With geography, what natural process is primarily responsible for the formation of limestone caves?
Calcification.
No, karstification. Geography for Munro. What specific type of rainfall occurs when warm, moist air rises over mountains?
Relief rainfall.
Or orographic. Correct. Regional affairs, a visual question for Queen's School. Ladies, look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Godfrey Dwyer.
No, that's Dr. Doddridge Miller, UE Chancellor, Regional Affairs for Munro College. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Yes. Lloyd Carney.
Ambassador Carney, University of Technology Chancellor. Chemistry, that's right, chemistry, Queen's School. What is the pH of a 0.01 mole solution of a strong acid such as hydrochloric acid?
3.
That's right, chemistry Munro. What is the oxidation state of nitrogen in nitric acid?
Plus 5.
That's right, Bible knowledge, Queen's School. Which book of the Bible immediately follows Hebrews?
James.
Correct, Bible knowledge, Munro. Which Old Testament prophet was fed by ravens?
Elijah.
That's right, music and audio question for the Queen's School. Listen to the following clip. Identify the group.
Best to feed her appetite, keep her coming every night, so hard to keep.
Maroon 5.
That's right, there's love. Music for Munro. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song.
Share a walk in Central Park. I could be fresh air, might be the.
Be rich.
No, it's so easy to fall in love, Olivia Dean. Biology, Queen's School. What is the name for the state of being swollen occurring when plant cells absorb water via osmosis?
Turgidity.
Correct, Biology Munro. What is the name for the top or terminal end of a leaf blade representing the point furthest from the petiole or stem?
Lamina. No, apex. Or apex.
Is right. Theatre and cinema visual question for the Queen's School. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Scarlett Johansson.
Correct. Theatre and cinema Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Reese with a spoon.
No, it's Renee Zellweger, Spanish Queen's School. Translate to Spanish, the towel.
La toalla.
That's right, Spanish Munro. Translate the Spanish, the fridge.
No, la nevera.
Wait. Yes.
La nevera.
No, it's el refrigerador. Sport, a visual question for the Queen's School. Look at the monitor. Identify this person here, please.
Romario Shepherd.
No, it's Hardik Pandya. Sport for Munro. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
No, can't. Aksu Patel.
One more time.
Aksu Patel.
No, it's Akshar Patel, both Indian T20 cricketers. Mathematics Queen School is the area of a circle with a radius of 14 centimeters greater than or less than 600 centimeters squared.
600.
Less than. Less than!
No, it's greater than. It's 615.75 centimeters squared. Mathematics Munro is the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 12 centimeters greater than or less than 40 centimeters.
Close. Wait, 40, right?
No.
Greater than.
Greater than.
I know it's less than 37.7 centimeters. And that is the bell already. That is the end of the opening challenge. Let's take a look at the scores. Queen's School appear to be on 6 points. Munro College on 5. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Stay with us. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.